Your next car could be the 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Whether you're on a family road trip or doing the daily drive, the Equinox is your go-to vehicle. It's the elegant solution that blends advanced safety technology, passenger comfort, and SUV functionality. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, power driver seat, rear spoiler, traction control, intermittent wipers. Practical and functional meets stylish and comfortable in the Equinox. Take a test drive today.